Hello, my name's Ian from Bath & Brands, and today we're going to be showing you a short video on how to clean your natural stone bathtub. These are the tools required for this job. The tools required for the job today will be normal soap and water and a lint-free cloth, and there are a couple of other products which I'll talk through as we go along. So when cleaning your natural stone bath, what you want to do first and foremost is remove your plug from the bathtub. You don't want to get any cleaning agents or residues on the rubbers of your bath plugs. So remove that if you can and keep that out of the way. So when cleaning your bath, you want to spray the bathtub as you normally would do. You want to try and do this as soon as possible after using your tub to avoid any excess build-up of grime, scale and oils and things like that from your skin. So when cleaning around brassware products, rather than spraying onto the area or around where you are, spray the cleaning material onto the cloth first, so to avoid any overspray onto your brassware and your taps. So with natural stone baths, there are a few things to be aware of. Will be any strong colours. You need to avoid colours like the hair dyes, bath bombs, oils, tanning products, things like that, because the bath being natural stone can take on some of this colour if you leave it on for too long. So we do not recommend the use of any of those products. If you do get a stain onto your bathtub that soap and water won't remove, then there are 3 other products that you can use. Normal household toothpaste works perfectly fine and will normally just apply it onto the area of the tub. You can then polish that straight out, which will take off most marks that you may get on your bath. If that doesn't work, you can then go on to a household cream cleaner. Again, follow the same process, a small area, the area that you need to work on, and polish it through. And moving up, if you need to, you can use a professional finishing polish or an automotive polish like Auto Glim or T-Cut. Please do avoid overworking an area because it's a highly polished finish on your bathtub, and you don't want to risk polishing a shiny or a flat spot into the area of your tub. Thank you for watching this short cleaning video. If you need any other videos, you can find them on our website.